π-r2. Here's an oddity of a game. Bit obscure. Released by Mind Games in 1987. So yes, π-r2. So that's like 3.141 something. Anyway, it's a calculation which you use to calculate circular objects. I do remember that. So let's put our controls in. We'll switch circle. That's fire, so that's space. Anti-clockwise. That's going that way. We'll go left. Clockwise right, I think. There we go. If you can read that scrolling banner, well done you, because that is going really quickly. So let's start. So the idea is to collect. This is the mathematical equation I've got to collect. 2 squared r. I've got to get them in that order. I have to rotate round these cogs, pick up the combinations, and exit. So let's. We need to get 2 first. Whoa. You lose energy really quickly. So need square next. I think that's up here. I did get to level 2 before, but it's very difficult and very frustrating. Oh, shit. Okay, let's do that again. I've lost a life. So 2 square R. I might whack some cheats on to get past level 2. So we switch. And you notice the cogs go different speed as well. Oh my god. I'm doing terrible. And sometimes they change direction, so your controls will switch. I've got picked up a book. I'm not sure that just gives me points. Oh, for crap, I ain't going to get half this. No chance. So our little robot character looks a bit like Vincent from the Black Hole movie in my head. I've got the 2. You don't get enough energy on this at all. It just zaps you. Shit. No! There's the exit. Oh, I've got... Yeah, it's very confusing. Which way? Oh. No chance, mate. I did get onto level 2 before, but it was a complete fluke. Not sure what every object does. You can pick up calculators and things. Oh my god. There's no way. No chance in hell of me getting to level 2. I'm going to have to whack cheats on just to show a bit more of the game. Oh, I've gone round. Oh, I'm just winging that now. Whoa. Get off. I did it. Get off, get off. Right, I've done it. If I can get off this circle. This crazy circle. There we go. Level 2 with 1 life. Very nice looking game. Very original as well. So 1NX. 1NX. So let's not get the N first. We need the 1. What the nope. Is that game over? Right, I'll be coming back with some bloody cheats. Here we go. So same equation. 2 squared R 2 pi R, sorry. Let's get the ice cream. Yeah. Whoa. It's like trying to scratch your head, rub your tummy, and make a cup of tea at the same time. Let's get out of there. Let's get out of there. So the less you think about it, the better you seem to do. Maybe. Let's get out of here. Level 2, here we come. I'll probably do like another 2 levels because it hurts my head, this game, so much. So yeah, it did get a full price release in '87, and then a year later it got a budget game on the Bug Bite label for a couple of quid. So 1NX we need, don't we? 1NX. Let's not get the N first. You have to get these in order. You start to question what left and right is, what clockwise and anti-clockwise is. There we go. Whoa. You really have to think quick on your feet with this one. Let's get the N. Whoa, no. I suppose if you got used to each level, you would know which cog turns which way. But it's really confusing. Okay, I'm just holding the switch button, and yeah, sometimes that seems to be easier to maneuver quickly onto different cogs. The cogs of sanity. Where have I gone? Oh, you lose yourself quite quickly. Hurrah! Okay. It's very nice graphics. Presentation's nice at the bottom. It'd be nice if you can have some, pick up some weapons. Maybe you do later on, I don't know. So 8x4, there's a calculator there. What does that do? Not sure. What are we going for? A first, aren't we? There we go. Where is A? A. No, there's A. There's A. No. Oh yeah, no, we need that next. Oh. Press the button at the wrong time and you'll just go on him. a tangent direction you don't want to go. What does the calculator do? Oh, picked it up. Whoa. We're looking for 4. Where's 4? Whoa. It's giving me a headache. Oh my god. Where is the 4? There's the exit. There's a hammer up there. What's the hammer for? Well, obviously knocking in nails. Should have read the instructions really. There's the exit. Sort of getting to grips with the turn of the cogs, but it's still quite crazy. Right, let's see the next level. Let's write these equations down because I won't remember. I think we're what are we next? Migraine hell. A equals 1. Oh, this looks quite a small set of cogs on this one. A equals 1. Get it then. Oh. F off. Oh. Hooray. Let's have a look at the next level. Yeah, so Crash gave it 70%. Probably decent enough. MC squared. No way, let's write that down. MC squared. Sinclair usually gave it 8 out of 10. And your Sinclair gave it 7 out of 10. I think I got those back to front, but yeah, you get the idea. There we go. So we get the Book of Pi here. I don't know what that does. We need an M first, don't we? And there's the M. Okay, this seems quite easy. This one. Can't switch. Okie doke. Where was this? Oh no, we've got to go up. Whoa. Gets off. Yes, that one was very easy. But I am going to call it a day because it's giving me a bloody migraine. This game is. Yeah, so very original. I don't think there's anything like this I've seen on the Spectrum. Good idea, but just really painful to play. The left and right, anti-clockwise, clockwise. It switches when the cogs are turning different directions. Very confusing. So there we go. π-r2. Yeah, if you're looking for this and you haven't got the pi symbol on your keyboard, just have a look at World of Spectrum π-r-2. There we go, π-r2. It is listed on that archive. So there you go. Yeah, I'm going to lie down in a dark room because my head is spinning. and my cogs have broken.